Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
What are we learning today?
Ke o re ba.
Oh, we're learning how to say I, he, she. We're learning about pronouns. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
So, the pronoun for you is wena. And the pronoun for I is nna. The pronoun for she is ene. And the pronoun for he is also ene. The pronoun for they is bona. And the pronoun for we is rona. Now let's use these pronouns in sentences. Abuti, how do you say I speak?
Na ke abua. Blah 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 blah.
Now how do you say he speaks?
Ene o abua.
And how do you say she speaks?
Ene o abua.
Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Ene is the pronoun for he and she. And wena is the pronoun for you. But we can also use the word o for he, she, and you. Are you confused? Let me explain some more. What is the pronoun for you? That's right, wena. How do we say you speak in Setswana?
O abua.
That's right. So we say wena or abua. But we can take away this wena and just say o abua. And the same thing happens with he speaks and she speaks. We can say ene o abua, or we can just say o abua. Now let's build some sentences in Setswana. You speak.
Wena o abua.
Blah 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 blah.
They speak.
E bona ba abua.
We speak.
Rona re abua.
And now you can use these pronouns in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Blah 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 blah.